Accurately separating, identifying, and quantitating amino acids can be challenging. Liquid chromatography is an essential technique for amino acid analysis, and sample preparation is a critical first step to get good results. Accutag Ultra enables your laboratory to obtain accurate amino acid composition from a variety of sample matrices, including protein, peptide hydrolysates, physiological fluids, feeds, foods, pharmaceutical preparations, and more. The three most common challenges we see with the Accutag Ultra protocol are: homogenization after addition of the Accutag reagent can be difficult to achieve with a manual pipette. Getting a stable temperature of 55 degrees Celsius for the reaction to take place. Pipetting steps in general are tedious and very manual. The protocol we're about to show you can be found in the OneLab library. To create a free account in OneLab, head to onelab.andrewalliance.com/login. Once you're logged into OneLab, the Accutag amino acid sample prep is a validated, ready-to-go protocol that can be copied to your workspace. Simply click Copy to OneLab, then select the correct protocol for your sample size, and you are ready to start. While this protocol is validated and ready to go, here are some OneLab protocol writing basics should you want to edit or create your own. To create a pipetting step, drag and drop from the source labware to the destination labware. The pipetting parameters window then opens, giving you a selection of options. To edit an existing step, click on the vertical ellipses on the upper right-hand side of a step and select Edit. The parameters window then opens and gives you full control over things like volume, mixing, tip changes, and much more. If you want to add any actions to the protocol, the Actions button can be found on the left panel. Select the action you want to apply from the list and select the appropriate labware and parameters. Make sure to tag your samples and identify target labware if you want to extract information at the end of the run. Once the protocol is built, click on Execute, and OneLab will calculate the best configuration for your method based on the available devices and pipettes, while suggesting different execution options. The automated run with Andrew Plus will take about 25 minutes. After selecting the Andrew Plus, the software will guide you through the bench preparation. Bench preparation involves putting the dominoes and samples in the correct locations in front of the robot. Here's where you can copy and paste specific sample references for tracking purposes. You can also choose to receive email notifications from OneLab to tell you when your protocol is finished or if an error occurs. The real fun starts. The Andrew Plus robot will confirm that you have the labware needed to run the protocol and that the labware is in the correct position. It does so by utilizing a camera and QR scanner on the moving arm. The arm will scan each domino's unique QR code. confirms the deck layout, the arm will grab its first pipette. The Andrew Plus Bluetooth pipettes are fitted with a magnetic sleeve that allows the arm to connect to the pipette magnetically. Andrew Plus will start pipetting each amino acid standard and hydrogen chloride into their own well in the first row of the plate. Next, the Andrew Plus will pipette borate buffer into all 32 wells. Once shaking is completed, the Andrew Plus will fill the multi-channel reservoir with the AccuTag label. Channel pipette dispense into the 32 occupied wells. Microplate gripper will grab the plate and move it to the Peltier Plus. Where it will heat at 55 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the heating is completed, Andrew will move the plate back to the shaker plus and shake for an additional 5 seconds. At this point, one lab will start a timer for 2 minutes, after which the protocol is complete. Once the protocol has completed, OneLab generates a log report that includes key information about the method that has just been executed. Who executed it, which instrument and pipettes were used, when it was executed with accurate timestamps, and the step-by-step breakdown of detailed pipetting parameters and actions. This log report is notably used for audit trail and compliance purposes, but is also a useful tool to simply keep track of what has been accomplished in your lab. Remember the sample and target labware tagging we did earlier? It's in this log report window that we can choose to extract the final information about our samples after the run, like their final concentrations, positions within a plate, and what they've been mixed with. This information can be extracted to different formats that best match your downstream workflow: CSV, XML, or specifically for MassLinks. Sign up for a OneLab account today to get started with our existing template protocols or create your own custom protocol.